for you. We also now update you on where we stand in the fight against coronavirus. This is what we know as of right now on this Monday morning. Worldwide, the confirmed cases of COVID-19 top 1.8 million, 558,000 in the United States. There's a new field hospital in New York City. It's at what's called the Bubble at Columbia University's Baker Athletics Complex. That's at 218th Street in Inwood, and it could be operational as early as today. News 4's Gus Rosendale is in Central Park. Gus, there is some concern over that tent hospital in this weather.
Well, David, good afternoon. You made the observation at the top of the broadcast that since this crisis has started, we've had relatively good weather. Clearly not so today. Heavy wind and rain coming down upon us right now, all of it making a tough job even tougher. The mobile medical center set up across from Mount Sinai Hospital near 98th Street and 5th Avenue, facing a day of heavy wind and rain. Medical personnel say the tents can withstand winds up to 65 miles per hour and are reinforced beyond the manufacturer's standards. But under a worst-case scenario, there is an evacuation plan ready to go. 47 COVID-19 patients are getting treated here. The death toll continues to rise across the tri-state, New York averaging about 700 lives lost a day. But there are some hopeful signs as we start a new week. Hospitalizations for the coronavirus are down across the tri-state, and government officials doubling down on the importance of social distancing to keep flattening the curve. Also part of that effort, more testing for more people to see who has the antibodies for coronavirus.
We have to keep earning our way out of this. None of us asked for this horrible disease. None of us deserve it. But we still have to fight our way out, earn our way out of it through our actions.
Governor Cuomo believes a region-wide approach will be used to open businesses and schools, and he says that no decision has been made for the rest of the school year. On the other hand, Mayor de Blasio says school for city kids is canceled for sure until the fall. Cuomo says he gets the final word.
Look, I understand the mayor's position. He represents New York City, and the position of I think schools should be closed. That's not an unreasonable position. He doesn't have to worry about Nassau, Suffolk. He doesn't have to worry about New Jersey. He doesn't have to worry about Connecticut. But I do.
The right thing to do is to keep the schools closed. And the right thing to do to beat back this pandemic is to keep the schools closed. And that's really what it comes down to.
It also comes down to social distancing, ever so important, and maybe that's where this weather plays a hand, because who wants to go outside on a day like this? We're live at Central Park. I'm Gus Rosendale, News 4 New York. David.